Does the good girl want a shower? Stella, you having a good time? Good girl? Are you enjoying your shower? You look so peaceful. Did you have a nice shower? We're all done. You're so spiky.
You're so cute. Mwah. What happened? Oh my goodness. Thank you. Hello. I love you too. I love you too.
Hello. Peeky, 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 peeky room. Peeky, 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 peeky room. Oh, it's good. I love you. Beep.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Chicken Bombs from food.com. This recipe serves 5 and takes about 45 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
What's up, man?
Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh, okay.
Can you come in?
Don't touch.
He's going to Tara's house. I don't think he likes it.
Go your nose. Step there. Not go. Don't turn that.
Or something.
Hey, don't turn up there.
Uh-oh. He's going to scare Kitty if he goes down. Oh, he's gone.
Go your nose. Come on, out. Go.
Oh, Kitty's not moving. Oh, she's going to be in trouble.
Cairo. When to burn, man. Hey, don't touch.
Oh, Kitty.
Hey,
He's in trouble.
smarten up, man.
Playful.